Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. South Korea expands airborne surveillance. The South Korean Air Force ROKAF has confirmed plans to develop and acquire 4 new AEW&C II Phoenix aircraft, enhancing its airborne early warning and control capabilities. Join me on YouTube. My channel name is Jones Crasto, and follow on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense and energy. This next generation fleet will strengthen South Korea's airspace monitoring and defense posture amid rising regional tensions. Source: Zona Militar, October 20, 2025.